Welcome to another Jetsip tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new number to an organization. Clicking on the Add New Number button will take you to a list of available numbers. You can use the search field to drill down into the type of number or number area that you want. Once you've found a number, click on the Select button and confirm you want to add it to your account. You'll be redirected, and the new number will be visible in the list. Now you're ready to manage the routing on the new number. We'll help you with that in the next video. Thank you for watching, and thank you for using Jetsip. Please subscribe and keep an eye out for other tutorials at the end of this video. Have a great day.